Está fría el agua. I guess because it rained a lot. So look, it's beyond. Hopefully I'll be able to get warm. Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? I'm hoping you're able to hear my voice even though I'm not coming out on the screen. I have it hooked up to my shirt. It's been raining all night, and it's still raining, even though it's just light rain. The water is very, very cold. It's colder than it was yesterday, but as long as I move around, my body should adjust. Still, I'm gonna head on to the jacuzzi. I guess I don't plan to stay that long because it has been raining, and even though it's been raining, I actually wasn't going to come, but I figured, you know what, I'm still going to get wet, whether it rains or not. I'm still going to get wet, so I went to do a little bit of exercise. I wasn't feeling very well, and I didn't eat anything yesterday. I ate just a little small piece of breasted chicken before I went to work, and then a bowl of ramen. About 2 hours later, a bowl of ramen, microwavable. But it might be the sugar intake, because I started feeling real bloated, unable to breathe correctly. I was actually starting to panic because I wasn't being able to breathe the way I normally breathe. And then I was having problems hearing. I was starting to lose a little bit of the hearing on the left ear. That's never happened before. I'm in bad shape. I am in bad shape. I'm gonna sink this thing underwater. I'm gonna sink this underwater, so I'm not sure what it's looking at, but I'm gonna twist it a little bit higher and then go underwater for a little bit so I can. My head is extremely hot right now. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Oh, actually the camera's going underwater also. So. Oh, you know what? The water's starting to feel warmer now, even though it was cold when I came in. Now, mind you that it would be cold because I just got out of the sauna, so my whole body was burning hot. So that would be an excuse of why this water is colder than usual. Now, since it's becoming daylight, as you can see, it's becoming daylight, but the sun isn't out, even though the sun technically is out, or it'd be dark outside. It's just all these dense clouds doesn't allow for the sunshine to come out, which will not allow the swimming pool to get warm a little bit. See, as you can see, it's still raining. I'm not sure if you can see an image of the swimming pool, but it's still raining. It's raining a little bit harder, but not as hard to say that it's time to leave the water. Now, last night, I did see a lot of lightning, but I have not seen any lightning up to now, or I wouldn't be inside the swimming pool at all. Today, this morning, or at least just as far as I know, we just had a firmware upgrade for the Insta360 Go 2, which is the camera that I have attached to my shirt. So I think I saw what the difference was. They put a Reframe Live, something like that. I have no idea what that is. I'll read about it later, or I'll look at the forum on Facebook. But Reframe Live is the latest update for the go-to of Insta360. The rain started to come down a little bit more. Even though I'm warm, I don't feel uncomfortable, but I would still be more at ease if I got out of the water and go to the jacuzzi. Now, the jacuzzi is going to be warm again, and I'm probably going to be able to relax there for a little bit. With this rain the way it's going, I would really hope that I'm not messing up my clothes and my phone and all that stuff that's inside the gym bag. Hopefully this gym bag is waterproof. I'm not sure. I'm gonna turn on the okay. Well, I was gonna turn on the, let's see. It's warm, but the oh, I see what's going on. There's no bubbles because the rain overfilled those little holes that allow it to breathe. This thing's supposed to be a little less deeper. So yes, it is just a tad warm. It's not really, and it's probably gonna get colder. In reality, it really isn't a good idea to be out here in the water. This thing won't work unless I can get it to switch left and right, and like this, make it. I'm switching the water so that it can. Yeah, if I can move the water left, and then right, and left, and then right, and left. Okay. It will cause it to where the bubbles come out, but just not enough. I don't know why. And anyways, it wasn't a good idea. Guess it wasn't gonna work. I'm gonna sign off on the camera, and let's take this out for a little bit. And it is getting wet, so, well, the camera's waterproof. What I'm saying, the whole area here is starting to get wet again. And this is really nothing. It rained like if the clouds decided to just park overhead and just sat there all night long with heavy rain. The ranch is like underwater, about 1.5 feet of water. We can forget about waiting to see if we can dry those watermelons so we can continue doing. I think we can technically say that watermelon season is officially over. So, anyways, I'm gonna log off. You all have a good afternoon, good day. Today's Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. Wednesday, July the 7th. Wednesday, July the 7th. Whose birthday was July the 7th? Trying to wonder who it was. Could it be one of my kids? I don't know. Anyways, I'm I'm gonna go ahead and log off and see if there's anything good in this video that I might be able to post for today's video. Who knows? But y'all take care of yourselves, and God bless everyone.